Here I have three identical planters, although I bought them at different estate sales and auctions. The first two I just recently picked up at an estate sale, and they had the wrong type of planters in them. They had pots that overhung the edges. They were breaking, cracking, chipping, falling apart, so I discarded those and went on a search to try to find some new ones, which proved to be not a very easy thing to do because these are 30-inch pots, 6 inches wide, 6 inches tall. My third one down here has its original liner, which is no problem. It fits perfect. I can plant it up at any time. So after doing a lot of search on the internet, I finally found a company that makes liners, and I just recently had an unboxing from windowbox.com, and this one fits perfectly. The size is exactly right. The only thing is the metal tends to have, you can see it has a lot of give in it, so it can actually conform to the planter holders a little bit better. This one is made of a more rigid material. It does not give, although it's a poly material that will hold up in any type of weather. It can stay out and freeze, thaw, and it will not break, crack. You know, the metal is also the same here. You can't harm it. But the difference is that when you put this one in the pot, it will not expand out like the metal will. And even though it works really, really well, there's still some minor issues with it sitting in there just perfectly. So what I'm probably going to have to do is, before I use these, I'm going to have to go in here, and you can see the planter sits on just a tiny little pedestal on either side. So I'm probably going to have to go across here with some sort of wire and kind of pull these planters in where they're not, you can see how that kind of gives quite a bit there. That way it won't be doing that, and I won't have to worry about my planter falling through or tilting or doing some sort of weird thing that we don't want it to do. But anyway, windowbox.com is a place where you can actually find custom planters to fit these. So here are the plants that I'm going to be using in the planters today. I've got an apple cider mix pansy. I've also got some kale that is both red and white. I've had these for quite a while. I've been waiting on those planter liners to come in. They told me 4 to 6 weeks. They actually delivered within 3 to 4. So I'm really pleased that I didn't go ahead and plant these out, as I was talking about in an earlier video. And I still have these ready to go. These pansies are definitely ready to get into pots. So I'll be getting those in there today. And that we'll look at the final product when I'm done with the 3 new planters. About the time I got those finished, my neighbor's lawn crew service decided to come, so I apologize for the background noise that you're going to hear during this video, but I want to take you on a little tour down the wall so you can see what the antique planters look like finished with the plants in them. And as you can see, I have the planters all put together. I did put the wire mesh in the bottom of the 2 that I was thinking about doing to hold them together. I've got the squirrel guards in there so they won't be tearing the plants out. Each one looks great. They work well on the wall, as you can see. They kind of make a nice contrast down through there between the lamppost on the brick wall. So that is our vintage planter project. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch Antique and Garden Showcase. And as always, please like and subscribe down below. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.